What are the first optimizations I should make to improve a struggling PPC campaign? Great. Let's define what struggling means in this case, because at different stages of your product, you can get different success, and at different stages of your campaign, you can get different campaign success, right? So here, let's define what struggling means. Are you defining struggling as of I'm getting sales, but my cost of purchase is too expensive? That is one thing to fix, right? Because then you will look into, is there a way for me to either get a better placement for my ads where it's going to convert better, or is there a way for me to lower my bids in order to get the same success I'm getting with more spend? Or is there a way for me to, now that I understand these two first metrics that is PPC related, is there a way for me to implement something that is non-PPC related, such as conversion, which is usually going to be your main image? So those are the first things that I would look into to define if a campaign is struggling or not. Then next, what I would look into is I would just zoom out for clarity and see, so I started this campaign, what was the purpose behind the campaign? Because if you don't know the purpose of the campaign, then how can you optimize, right? Giving you an example. Whenever we're onboarding accounts and when they already spent on advertising, first thing what we're doing is looking through whatever they did already that it's working for them and they might not know, or whatever they did that is not working for them that they might not know. And then a third thing that we're looking into, whatever they did that it's clearly not working for them, it's not part of the strategy that we would apply, that is something that we would be pausing. And if we want to test it, maybe in the next couple of months, then we would just make a small X sign, and then that campaign would be paused until we are coming back to it. So those are really important things for us to understand, what was the strategy of the campaign, what was the goal of the campaign, because if we don't know that, how can we optimize? So first off, I would ask, what was the strategy? And does the strategy still aligns to whatever my goal is now? Example, if you are just in a product launch phase, you just launched a new product and you want to get eyeballs to the listing, your ACoS is going to be way, way higher just because no one really knows you. Or in case that you are the known brand on other platform but not on Amazon, your ACoS might be super cheap because many people were looking for your brand and they found you on Amazon. So that's why I'm saying that it's really important to understand why did we define it a struggling PPC campaign. And once that we understand that, then we can look into next questions.